That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh! What the heck is he doing? Flash your lights, flash your lights. Oh, no, don't.
What is he doing?
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, Brandon?
Stay there. Is it on
Brandon!
fire? No, you're good. Stay there. Oh my god!
Okay.
Victim in the tub, rocks it dirty, getting crushed. Drop 2 sticks up in my mud, brought the dirty dick.
I'm in the bike lane. You're the one that turned into me.
Yeah, I wanna turn the right.
I know,
okay?
but you gotta watch, man.
Yeah, I watch you. You okay?
You watch me, you hit me though. Go. I'm alright. Sorry, I got his license plate. I have camera.
Oh my god.
I have camera. I'm gonna.
Yeah. Hey folks, it's Mike and we're just on the way to the cottage. There's a white pickup truck behind me and we're just going to turn left here and whoa! White pickup truck's not behind me anymore. It's in front of me. So I laid on my horn and watch Bro Mingo here. He doesn't particularly like having the horn laid on. Nice sunglasses. He's got the bald head and the goatee. Good stereotype going on here. So he asked me if I had a problem and I said, no, you cut me off. And he got back in his truck and drove off. In a hurry. In a serious hurry. When he got onto the highway, he was zipping between lanes. I don't know where he ended up. He was so far ahead.
talking things out, because it's a really serious thing, at least in my mind, and I think the minds of the people who I was on this jury with, to convict somebody of a crime, especially when you know that it comes with potential sentence.
Can't call 911. Can't call 911.
Show me around for that cash.